some grapes and my coffee, which is a usual. You're gonna see that a lot. I add sugar-free creamer and I frothed it this day, which was something a little different and fun. And then I made my usual breakfast, which is 2 eggs, chicken sausage, an apple, and some cottage cheese. This keeps me full until the afternoon, and I literally love this meal. After that, I fought with the toaster to toast an English muffin. It was actually driving me insane. And then I cut up a banana, and I did my typical pre-workout snack, which is banana, peanut butter on an English muffin, some honey on top of that, as well as cinnamon and salt. I love this. I could eat this every single day for every single meal, to be honest. I got a Monster on the way to the gym, which is kind of not something I usually do, and it splashed in my face. I swear nothing is more embarrassing than having somebody walk into the locker room when you're filming yourself. Oh, I'm eating sugar-free Jolly Ranchers. Nothing's more embarrassing. Somebody walked in while I was filming myself with my camera, and then I was like, you know what? Who cares? Like, I don't know this person. Why am I concerned with what they think? And also, I got a 6-pack, so I gotta document that. This was actually a really good workout. I was like too locked in. I think it's because I have not drank like pre-workout or energy drinks before my workouts in like a while, but I was going through like a period of time in New York where I was just so drained going to work out, like so drained. I would have like 2 to 3 coffees and an energy drink, and of course I would crash and not have a good workout because that's way too much caffeine when the core problem is not sleeping enough. So that just shows that you should supplement caffeine to assist in reaching your goals, but you should not rely on caffeine. After the gym, I had some lean ground beef. This is actually the best ground beef I've had in a while. I got it at Safeway, I think. And I just add salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I accidentally almost burnt the house down with a paper towel. So for this lunch plate, I just added some random things. I added shredded lettuce, the rest of my English muffin, and a lot of ground beef, some cottage cheese, and some honey. Hear me out. It's really good. You just gotta try it to believe it. And then I had a cup of tea and some carrots and honey mustard. I don't really know why I ate this, but it kind of hit. And then I finished the evening watching Alice in Borderland, my favorite show literally ever. Best show in the world, to be honest. Tuesday morning looked very similar to Monday morning. I chopped up my apple and I had 2 eggs, cottage cheese, and some smoked salmon this day. Trust me, it's just like the best combo. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. I love the salmon too. I've been drinking way too many of these Dr. Peppers, and then I kind of had a crash halfway through the day, so I was feeling a little dead by this point. Came home, ate some ground turkey, lettuce, and tomatoes, and cottage cheese. Very odd combo again. And then I went out to dinner with my friends at a Mexican place, and I had a shrimp salad, chips, salsa, and a glass of wine, and then some pretzels. Wednesday morning began as usual with my coffee with sugar-free creamer, and then I tried out a new recipe that I saw on TikTok, but I decided to kind of wing it, which not the best choice in retrospect. I made cottage cheese pancakes, and they turned out looking pretty. Yeah, they might look okay, but they taste horrific. Okay, maybe not horrific. I need some like oats or something, so I messed up. Oh well, don't listen to me. I'm terrible at cooking. No promises, and please don't judge me if it doesn't work. Now for the sus part. Chocolate. Chocolate strawberry, okay. This is incredible. It's like a root beer float, but like chocolate covered strawberry. I'm onto something. I'm onto something big. Guys, I have peanut butter in my hair. It's like not a little bit either. It's like a lot of peanut butter. Influencer vibes. It's gym time. It is actually my rest day today, but I'm feeling like so jittery and anxious that I'm just gonna go and get on the Stairmaster and hit like 30 minutes to 40 minutes on the stairs. My mother just gave me Christmas gifts. I love a robe. Love robes. It's pink and it's fuzzy. I'm gonna wear this like for the rest of the time I'm at home. Also, I just had an apple with peanut butter and honey. Yeah, I don't know what's up with me. I just have like so much pent up energy that I need to get out. Usually on my rest days I'm like I'm not moving, but today gotta get some energy out for real.
Life hack.
Actually, I don't know what this is a life hack for. It's just gum. I like this gum a lot. That's all I want to say.
I like to chew gum at the gym.
I like to chew gum after meals.
I always need like something sweet. Enjoy gum. I also enjoy Jolly Ranchers. Don't mind me just crying on the treadmill because I finished Alice in Borderland. It'd be the best show ever made, to be honest. Incredible. 30 minutes incline walking and then full sauna sesh because I'm here. So why not? Socks in the sauna. Honestly. I just scared someone out of the sauna. My bad. Had it on high the whole time. This is your second warning to never ever ever listen to me when it comes to cooking. I've been loving shrimp recently, but I always get the shrimp egg after like the first 2 shrimp, but they have amazing macros and the big ones are actually really good. I am 5 years old. Ketchup. And then my mom got me this box of all these Japanese snacks because I just recently went to Japan and I loved it. And these are all so cute. I'm going to do a taste test very soon. And then I finished off the night planning my trip to Asia and eating this Halo Top ice cream. I slept so badly last night. I don't know why. I think I need to stop drinking like 72 Dr. Peppers close to bedtime. I was tired and then I didn't go to bed till like almost 2 in the morning. Also, I really don't want to go to the gym today, but what else am I gonna do? We're almost out and I'm gonna get a different kind next time. I really like this kind. I used to like it, but now it's like too like chalky. I don't know. Pink straw. For breakfast, I made literally the best oats ever. This is like the best combo. So I chopped up an apple and then I put that in a pan with some cinnamon, salt, and maple syrup. I just let this cook down, not till it's like mushy, but till it's kind of soft. And then I add in the oats and mix that around. Finally, once it's a little cooked down, I add some water and some milk and I let that turn into the typical oat consistency. But the key to this recipe is to add egg whites. And I know it sounds weird, but they make it just thick and like amazing. And I would also be adding protein powder, but I don't have any. Just the egg white adds a ton of protein. So I'm just chopping up some berries and putting them on top and then putting some cottage cheese, milk, peanut butter, and sugar-free maple syrup. This you can make with apples or with banana and it is just amazing. Like definitely one of my best breakfast recipes. I was thinking last night about how people say variety is the spice of life, or at least my mom says that, so can't be sure if other people say that, but I've heard it around and I disagree. I think variety is only the spice of life if it's interspersed with consistency, because I know that, for example, if I eat out every single day, if I order DoorDash for lunch every single day, it doesn't feel special. If I get to sleep in every single day and I never work, it doesn't feel special. But if I'm going to work early every single day and then I get 1 day off to sleep in, then it feels special. Humans crave output combined with not necessarily input, but like, for example, like working. If you never work, you're gonna like crave some sort of physical exertion. I'm not really sure what the point of this is, but I think it's good to know that even if you could constantly indulge, you wouldn't be happy. You would actually be happier if you could indulge on occasion around putting your effort into something consistent and positive for you. So this mostly has to do with food, but it kind of has to do with everything, because I do not believe that variety is the spice of life unless life is about consistency. That's all. Let's hit shoulders. I'm trying to find an outfit for the gym, but I look like a bowling ball. Like, what is this? What is this? I don't know how to fix my
Stupid round face. It's just getting rounder by the day.
Maybe stop drinking coffee. This isn't working for me. It's Coldplay season right now. Time to go do some cardio because I'm zoned out. The only thing that fixes that is cardio. Little shoulder day, because if I wait till the end to do cardio, I'm not gonna do it. I'll try to film my workout, but no promises. Most of them are on my Instagram too, if you want to see them.
Some random town. One seems like a little bit expensive.
This will always be better than candy. One more strawberry. This is such a cute little strawberry. Vietnam's gonna be really crazy though.
I'm in the worst mood of all time.
I'm gonna eat some shrimp. My mother made a pie. That looks delicious. I might have to partake in some pie. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. This looks gross and it also tastes gross. Literally turkey and cottage cheese. Good morning. I'm gonna go for a little walkie with my mother and I'm running late per usual. I'm just gonna have a coffee before we go. I look so cozy. I love the winter when I get my steps in and it's sunny outside and when I'm cozy. Those are the only times that winter is okay and acceptable. We just got back from our walk and I had a coffee with oat milk. It was actually really good. I'm about to make breakfast. I'm gonna have eggs and sausage. It's been too long without my favorite breakfast. And then I think today I'm taking a rest day because I haven't had any full rest days in like the past week. I've done cardio on all the days.
Does he have scale?
We're going to Trader Joe's to get some stuff. I'll take you through my grocery list. It stays the same basically week to week, but I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a minute, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna get today. Okay, Trader Joe's haul. I started with some turkey breast, and then I got some iceberg lettuce and salad, maple chicken breakfast sausage, some ground turkey breast, some egg whites, which I always get, and some cottage cheese. Again, obsessed with cottage cheese. 2 packages of 96.4 ground beef, some turkey bacon, and some piquant popcorn, which is like cheesy nutritional yeast. Really, really good. And then I got some eggs too, but we already had some eggs at home, and we also had all of the fruit at home. Also wanted to try out this ramen soup. I'm probably gonna add some chicken or some shrimp to this to give it a little bit more protein. And I also got some sweet potatoes because I've been missing like a good carb with my meals. For a snack, I made one of my weird food combos. I had some turkey breast with a Laughing Cow cheese, ketchup, and a pickle. It looks nasty, but it kind of hit, to be honest. I don't know, I just have weird taste. And then I ate a banana before the pool. I just put on my
Rainbow Speedo.
I forgot to take a video in it, but now I'm wearing this bathing suit, which is actually a really cute bathing suit, but now that I lost a bit of weight, it's kind of too big for me. Ooh, I think this is the one. I think it's fine. Ew, I hate bathing suits that tie around the neck. Yeah, it's a cute bathing suit actually. And the side is all open. It's from no, it's not from Victoria's Secret. It's from Pink, like 8 million years ago. Pool was mid. No, it was fun. Now I'm eating some cherries because we just got some cherries at Trader Joe's. Yummy.